Hey guys, happy Thursday. We're going to continue on with Unit 6, Lesson 3. Throughout Canvas and documents, you will see this referred to as 6.3. I just want you to get used to that. That's called nomenclature, the numbers and how we're going to use them. All right, so today is going to be really short, so you'll be glad you don't have to hear me for a very long time. Elements, which we talked about. Hopefully, you watched the last PowerPoint. It's very important that you did. But elements are described by using what is called a chemical symbol. And that is like when you're mailing a letter or you write down your address, you use OH for Ohio. Elements are the same way. So the definition for a chemical symbol is an abbreviation that represents an element. Okay. And all elements that have ever been found or discovered have a 1 or 2 letter chemical symbol to label them. For instance, H for hydrogen, He for helium, and it goes on and on and on. N for nitrogen, those O for oxygen. Okay? There you will see endless periodic tables. They do them in different colors, and there's reasons for that, which we'll talk about next week, maybe Friday, actually, Friday or Monday. Anyhow, they are arranged in different ways. But they have blown this up for hydrogen, which would be up here in the upper right-hand corner. All right. Chemical symbols are assigned by their English term. So in general, you don't want to see my menu. For instance, hydrogen is the English word, but occasionally it will be another language, Latin, German, French. For instance, iron is Fe. Okay, that has nothing to do with like I or IR for iron. So if the chemical symbol makes no sense to you, that is because it's from another language. So it's literally another language. All right, so again, here is a periodic table. Let me move down here, I guess. And they are arranged, which we'll talk about how they're arranged next week, but by their atomic number. So there is a question, and you are going to answer this on your Google Doc when you get done watching this PowerPoint and your digital lesson. I'm going to tell you right now, guys, some of you are trying to not log on to Think Central. Your digital lessons are vital to your to what we're learning. Okay, even when a lot of us are going to come back 4 days a week, you have to use your digital lesson. I rely on that a lot to give information out. It's great review. So if you're struggling with logging into Think Central, please reach out to me on your inbox or in your inbox, in my inbox. But you have to get on Think Central because we're going to start looking at the glossary and doing definitions through there. I'm going to start assigning reading pages through there. So we have to make it our goal today, Thursday, to log into Think Central. If you are at home today and you don't know how to get on, you have to let me know because there's no reason not to, in other words. Okay. For almost all of you, again, it's 27 in your last name. Okay. And then your password is your initials, your numbers, and your initials. All right. So, anyhow, the question on your Google Doc, one of them is helium appears in the top right corner. It's up here. Number 1, hydrogen's over here. Number 2, helium is right there. So it's going to ask you for the atomic number and the chemical symbol for helium. Pretty easy question. Don't want to give it away, but it's easily done. All right, so that is it on PowerPoint for today. Again, the second part of the lesson is getting on to Think Central and going to your digital lesson. Got to do it, guys. Mandatory, not optional. Have to. get her done, whatever you want to say it, but you have to do that. All right. Take care. Have a great day.